It is always recommended to upload a custom thumbnail to your YouTube and Facebook posts. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your custom thumbnail. All right, so you're going to want to get the Phonto app. That's Phonto app at the App Store. So I already downloaded it. So here we are. We're going to go to Phonto. Now it's just going to open up a blank screen. I'm going to click that camera button down in the lower middle section. I'm going to click Photo Album. And I'm going to click the photo that I took. I just went outside and quickly snapped this photo with the portrait mode setting. So that blurs out the background. So then the text stands out just a little bit more. Now here we go. You can click any one of those filters. I haven't actually done any editing to this photo and I think it looks pretty good. Now here is a quick note. When you're uploading to YouTube or Facebook, you want to make sure this picture is taken in horizontal, not vertical. If it is taken in vertical, it will crop the image not correctly. I'm going to click done. It's going to pull it up. You want your thumbnail image to be eye-popping and have text on screen that pulls people in so that they will want to click your video. So I'm going to add what is Phonto for this thumbnail. I just clicked on the screen. It's going to say add text. I'm going to add text. I'm going to say what is, and I'll show you why in a second. I'm going to click done. I'm going to pull this over here. So now you can drag it anywhere you'd like. I'm going to put it right there. So you can actually go to font and you can change any of the fonts that you like. I like this one. Then I'm going to go to style. Here you can change the colors of the letters. I'm going to actually pick pink. So if you go to the second option over here called stroke, you can actually put outlines on your words. I'm going to actually leave it as is right now. And then I'm going to go to background. Now I want to put a square background behind my text just to make it a little bit more eye-popping. So I have pink text. I'm going to put a white box behind it. I just click that white box right behind it. You can do black, gray, but I'm going to do white. I like the look of that. Go back to stroke. Okay, good. I'm gonna click done. Now you can do size here. You can resize it. I'm gonna keep it right there for now. You can also tilt. That will just turn it. I'm also gonna keep it straight. And you also can scroll over here and there's a couple different options. You can curve it. So you can get pretty creative with these texts here. But I'm gonna do my next text. I'm gonna click an empty space. I'm gonna click add text. And I'm gonna say Phonto with a question mark. I'm gonna click done. Now I'm gonna go back to style and I want this text to actually be white. Now I don't need a stroke. Now I'm gonna go to background and I'm gonna make that pink. I'm gonna click done. The colors kind of go with the background. Now I have what is Phonto. There you go. Now I'm gonna go to what is. I'm going to resize this one just to make it a little bit smaller. You can kind of replay it. You can play around with it until you like the layout. There you go. What is Phonto? So now you want to save the image to your camera roll. So I'm going to click that box with the up arrow in the lower right hand corner. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to say save image. Save successful. Now I'm going to go to my camera roll here. There it is. So now you can go to your YouTube on your phone and upload this custom thumbnail to your YouTube or Facebook video. I highly recommend creating a thumbnail for each and every one of your videos that you post on YouTube or Facebook because this has proven to increase engagement.